Okay, acid, base, or salt. All right, how do we know if it's an acid, base, or salt? Well, we're just going to look at the formula. We already know from the last unit, what do all acids start with? Hydrogen. What do all bases use? Indian, OH. If we don't have one of those, what is it? It's a salt. Doesn't start with hydrogen, doesn't end in OH. Okay, so fill in this column first. Color in litmus. Well, we already know the color in litmus because we took notes on it. All right, litmus paper turns red in an acid, blue in a base. All right, in a salt, we would have no effect. Okay, color in phenolphthalein. We took notes over that too. Phenolphthalein is clear or colorless in an acid, pink in a base, and again, for a salt, what is it? Colorless. What do we know about pH? We already know pH. A salt is about 7, a base is above 7, and pH is below 7 for an acid. All right, fill in the rest by yourself.